Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I thought I'd do a quick video sharing my NEOM Organics order. I thought it'd be fun to share because I'm such a fan of the brand and I think these are such incredible products, so if you're new to the brand, these might be really great products to start with. Also, there is one product which I don't have in this bundle and I would really recommend, the Perfect Night Sleep Pillow Spray. It's gorgeous. It's great if you are a troubled sleeper and you love a pillow spray. It really does work. I love it. It's gorgeous. But yeah, I probably should have ordered that as well. Anyway, what are you going to do? So let me show you what I got. Okay, so the first item I got is probably my favorite ever body scrub. This stuff is incredible. I don't normally do body scrubs because I do find them a little bit time consuming. But when I do, it has to be this one. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. It's really refreshing. It's really like clean and crisp. It smells of spearmint, rosemary and eucalyptus. Oh, and it's almost like clay mask meets exfoliator. It's really good. I really love it. It's really just like kind of gets in there. I don't know. It's really like, I don't know, zesty and tangy and kind of like really does it, you know, it really polishes your skin. There's just something so fresh and uplifting and like invigorating about it. I absolutely love it. It's amazing. So if you need a good body polish, then I would recommend this all day. It literally makes you feel like you have new skin. And then the next item I have actually goes with that because after a good scrub, you do need a good body butter. And this one is, again, beautiful. This is the Great Day Magnesium Body Butter. It's with wild mint and mandarin. And I don't know, I just love it. It's uplifting, it's fresh, it's refreshing, it's highly moisturizing and nourishing and just so lovely. And yeah, it's like the perfect finish to the body polish. I just love it. And yeah, it just feels like such a treat to kind of like invigorate your skin and make you feel like you have new skin. Okay, and then next up, of course, I had to mention one of their iconic candles. So this candle is in the Perfect Night Sleep blend and I love this one. It smells of lavender, chamomile and patchouli. And it's just designed to like prep your body and soul for like a really good night's sleep. It's really soothing. It's really just like, I don't know, just soothing and relaxing and just really zen. You know, it's chill, but it's super luxurious. It's gorgeous. And while they do make a single wick candle, I have to admit I am all about the 3-wick. How good is this? 3 wicks, I'm just going to put it out there. It fills the room quicker, it makes the scent more potent, and even though a 3-wick candle is more expensive and it burns quicker than 3 single candles, it just is worth it. It just is worth it. I love it so much. I'm an addict. I'm a candle addict and I need my sleep. Oh, it's so good. Like, it's so clean. It's so soothing. It's so relaxing. Like, and the thing about it is the lavender smells really fresh. Like it's literally just come off a plant. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, it's just got this real freshness about it. You know how some kind of nighttime products and some kind of like lavender chamomile things smell quite like dusty and dried? This smells like flowers that are growing. Oh, it's perfect. I love it. Anyway, the 3 wicks burning together really take effect quickly and just, I don't know, work fast to help you get that perfect night's sleep. It really does do everything it says on the tin. Oh, and by the way, that is an incredible luxury gift. If ever you're buying for somebody else, that is amazing. It's so good. And then my final item, I love so much. It's so good. Again, it's super soothing. It's super relaxing. It really gets its way into your soul and makes you feel really like at peace, you know, just chill in the most perfect way, is this. This is their luxury bath foam, and this is in the scent Real Luxury. And I don't know what it is, but the name of the scent is Real Luxury, and it always kind of makes me laugh, but then at the same time, I smell it and I'm like, but you know what? It does. It smells like real luxury. Anyway, here is the bath foam. It is absolutely dreamy. And again, it makes an incredible gift. It's super just like relaxing and soothing and just so luxurious. This one smells like lavender, jasmine, and Brazilian rosewood. Oh, it's so good. This one is quite similar to Perfect Night's Sleep, but instead of it being just all about the sleep, it's also got this kind of zestiness to it. Almost like a citrus note of like mandarin, and it kind of has this like soothing but slightly uplifting vibe. It's so good. Oh, it's so good. Also, as well as leaving your skin feeling lovely and your soul feeling cleansed and revitalized, it also has really lovely properties for your skin. So if you do have kind of irritable skin, it's not going to irritate. It's just going to like soothe and, I don't know, nourish your skin as well. It's really kind of like, I don't know, almost milky and balmy. It's lovely. And you don't have to, but you can follow it up with a little bit of body butter if you wish, but you don't have to. It's just a nice little extra if you want to. But anyway, they are my favourite items from NEOM Organics, but I do have to shout out the pillow spray as well, because that is also absolutely stunning and really does work. If you're a troubled sleeper like me, you will love a pillow spray, because they really do work. Well, at least they work for me. And I find that the NEOM one is really good, really luxurious, and works. It works. What can I say? It works. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. If you've got any questions, let me know. And also do keep an eye out for the QVC Today's Special Values, because occasionally, like literally twice a year, they do a NEOM one, and it is 100% worth buying every single time. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.